So I picked up this outfit for Angarag. No, listen. Oh my god. Oh, we just it can fit 2 people. What would you rate that fit from 1 to 10?
5.
Oh, 5.
So before we get there, I'm gonna tell y'all how it's gonna go down. So I'm styling Angarag, right? I'm styling Angarag. Then he's gonna style you. Oh, he's styling me. Okay, he's styling me.
You're styling me.
And I'm styling him.
Yeah. Why?
Alright, y'all, we here.
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta get my video too. Let's do this.
Can y'all see that shit?
It says Village Thrift.
Hey, 50% off, you dig? Alright, so. You said what? Yeah, I'm looking. Alright, so. I was going down there. I'm shopping for Mateo. Mateo is shopping for Angarag. And Angarag is shopping for me. So, this is a little challenge we're
I'm gonna put him in these, bro. The hyper dunk.
Alright, anyway. So we got, I'm trying to say, wait, bro, y'all stop following me. I'm trying to talk to him about what I'm gonna get you.
Oh, my bad, go ahead.
Fuck out of here. Alright, anyway. So I'm just looking for something a little, oversized for Mateo. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go with this sporty look for Mateo. Because you don't really do all this sporty stuff. I'm gonna switch it up for a while. So that's why we kind of in this section right here. And I'm just seeing what's look good. So I'm thinking about just taking this blue one right here. It's a large. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cop this one. Or maybe it's something like this. This black is nice. I would get crazy with this red, but I like dark colors on Mateo.
Alright, so update status, found like 2 t-shirts, you know, cash out all, but like working on it.
Hey,
yeah.
Look, bro, we buying a whole bitch, bro.
Facts.
We buying a whole
bro,
thing.
We buying out the whole fucking store.
Hey, alright, so actually, fuck this sporty look. He like right next to me, so I gotta be quiet.
Yo, what's over on this side?
Hey, shut up, bro.
What's on this side?
It's coats. Coats and jackets.
Yeah, so you know, I'm gonna get him out a little bit. So,
Yo, you got these big ass pants.
Bro, they're XXX.
Get on that side.
Well, you go on first, because you're going to break it apart.
Yeah, come on.
We're not doing this.
Bro, like, we can fit, bro. Like, honestly, if we try it, we can fit.
Where's security at?
Oh, my man's
Papa.
Go ahead, go, get in.
1 eternity later.
And you jump.
Hey, bro, take a step,
Hey, bro. Y'all tough.
Alright.
Wait, you got, here, hold me like this. So you can jump off of each other. You go.
Alright, bro, I need to back the fuck up. Y'all like a big ass monster. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. So we got my card. Luxurious.
Give the outfits to each
Mateo
other.
card.
Try
I feel
it
fucking
out.
focused.
See who's better. I think mine's better.
Angarag
Mine's
card.
He's good at dressing.
Vlog
Sam's got
set.
drip, and my other boy here got drip, bro.
Vlogception.
It's a drip competition, you know?
Alright,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, it's a 3-way. Restart.
So you cut me,
Restart.
and you beat him.
No, it's a restart. Come on, bro.
That's not a...
No, bro, you... Wait.
He beat you, so you go first. You go
No.
second,
He wins. He wins, so he goes last.
I go first.
Yeah, you go first. I go
Okay.
second. He goes.
Come on. So, I picked up this outfit for Angarag. Now listen. If this was the right sizes and everything was like slim or whatever, this would be a really nice fit. This would be an Instagram. Let me show you the inspiration for this fit. Look,
Alright.
I was on Instagram, just like went to my style drawing, and I seen this, and I was like, is it focusing?
Yeah, it's focused. They can see it.
So this is what I thought when I was thinking of it. And
That's how it turned out.
listen. If it fit right, this would be really nice. It would be really nice.
He mad as shit.
Yo, let me see your model walk, bro.
Are you ready? Hop on the end. Come on. Alright.
If this came in like If you touch it, touch all of it. If the pants were different, this would be like a 9. Pants were different, this would be a 9.
He said no, bitch.
Alright, but rate.
Oh shit. Ah. So this is my outfit that I picked up for him. Some little dance. Hey, hit it. Hit it. Yeah. Whoa.
It's good. It's good.
I can't fuck with it.
Yeah, but no, that's kind of. What would you rate the fit from 1 to 10?
Rate the fit.
5.
Oh, 5.
5, damn.
Say you ugly as shit.
Damn.
And this is what Angarag had me wear. The bag, the jacket, the shirt, the dad jeans. Angarag. I spent $40 bitch. This nigga spent 11 fucking dollars.
This was 50.
$11.
This was
50?
Like 53. I only had 51. My man siaka. You helped me out.
Oh yeah. I gave him $2.
So he gave me $2 because it was. I only came in with 51, but it was like 53 total. And look, handshake. Let me up on the camera. This is ending racism. Fuck the ops. Fuck the police. Fuck anybody who putting us black niggas in incarceration and shit. Incarceration.
What, bitch?
But it's nighttime.
We finished, so that was a wrap. Big ass bag. These bags. Good looks.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where I put my ticket? Mi boleto. Donde está mi boleto?
Boom.